Hello everyone, I am Professor P.S. Gosavi from Department of Electrical Engineering. So, today we talk about outage management system. It is the part of Unit 3. In this outage management system, we have to cover the topics. First is introduction, second trends, how it works, what is needed for an effective OMS system, means outage management system. First, definition. An outage management system OMS is a computer system and software used by system operators to reduce outage times and helps allocate resources for a system restoration. Geographic Information System GIS base could incorporate automated meter reading or meter infrastructure system, could use information from system control and data acquisition system, means SCADA, could incorporate data collected at a call centers from a customer information system or interactive voice response system IVR are used, can use information from a line queues during a large outage. Next is trends. Utilities are increasingly using outage management system to aid in a handling system repair. Systems have grown over the years from an amalgamation of a smaller system design for the uses. In this trouble tickets, AMR system means automated meter reading system. Sometimes home grounds were not designed to handle wide-scale outages. Next is never integrated outage management system better integrate a variety of data. In this, contain algorithm to track outage and repair status can better handle large outages. Next is how it works. In this OMS telephone calls IVR, CIS, IVR means SCADA, AMR means automatic meter reading, lines, crews, field inspections. Next, geographic information system display operation customer service and crews display customer inform. Next slide is how it can help. Integrates coordinator nets and display data from many sources. Includes computer algorithms to aid the decision making process. In this, help in assembling where troubles exists and how extensive the outage is. Helps to identify which customers are affected. Helps pre-writes restoration efforts, helps in calculating restoration times, helps manage crews and other resources, keeps track of critical infrastructure such as 911 centers and fire departments, so restoration can be pre-prioritized. One step on the way to the smart grid. What is needed for an effective OMS outage management system? Utilities may need to rethink how they respond to troubles, calls and issues, work tickets. How are calls handled by operation or customer service? How are trouble calls rotate to the correct person so action may be taken? Training is needed for all employees involved in its use. In this, good communication within the utility. There may be multiple customer service center. There may be multiple SCADA and AMI systems. All the correct data must get to everyone who needs it. Okay. Next is good communication within the utility. There may be multiple customer service centers. There may be multiple SCADA and AMI system. All the correct data must get to everyone who needs it. Thank you so much for watching video.